What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're going to be drawing Baby Yoda from the Mandalorian. Let's get started at the top of our page with the eyes. So we move over to the left side and draw on the upper eyelid. So start on the left side, we're going to draw a curve going up towards the top and then back down on the inside. It's almost like drawing a half circle. Now let's leave a gap in the center and draw the same thing on the right. So line up the inside of the eyelid. We're going to curve up to the same height that we have on the left and then we'll bend that down. Let's connect the outside to the inside with a curve. We're going to come down the middle and then back up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add a highlight on the top left of each eye. So up against the edge of the eye, we're going to draw a circle. Curving in and then back out. We'll line this up on the right and do the same thing. Let's fill the inside of the eye in black. Now we're going to move to the center and draw on the nose. So we're starting on the left side, we're going to draw a curve. It comes down and then up. Now we're going to move up and draw a short curve in the opposite direction for the bridge of the nose. Let's move down and draw on the mouth. So we start over on the left side, we're going to draw a curve going up and then down. Now it's going to curl out the corners of the mouth. So we're going to go out. Let's step down and draw on the lower lip, stepping over towards the left. And follow the same curve of the mouth going across. Now we're going to add a wrinkle along the bottom of the eye. So we're going to step over towards the left, just underneath the eye, and curve down and then up. Do the same thing on the right side. Now let's add a wrinkle along the top of the eye. Starting on the left, we're going to curve up a little higher in the middle, and we'll bend that down on the inside. I want to move back down and draw on the chin. From the corner of the mouth on the left, we're going to step down, we're going to curve down the chin, and then back up on the right. Now from the corner of the eye, I want to step out and round out the cheek. So from here we're going to step out, curve down, round out the cheek, and now we're going to pull that in behind the chin. Let's do the same thing on the right. So we're going to step over, curve out, we're just going to pull that up right beside the corner of the eye. From the top of the cheeks, we're going to round out the inside of the ear. So start on the left, we're going to curve up and then out. Let's go to the right and do the same thing. Now we're going to draw on the bottom of the ear. Starting on the left, we're going to curve in and then down. Now we're going to blend to a curve going in behind the cheek. We'll round this out and pull that up and in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start by curving in, then down. We'll round out the ear and just pull that up in behind the cheek. Now we're just going to add a fold on the inside of the ear. Stepping down from the top of the ear, we're going to curve up and out with a short line. Let's draw on the top of the ear. Starting from the tip, we're going to taper this in towards the side of the head. Do the same thing on the right. Stepping up, curve up, and then out. Let's draw on the top of the head. We're going to start on the left side, curve up, round out the top of the head, and I'm just going to bring that down on the right side, on top of the ear. Now we're just going to add the brow line. In the center, let's start with a point. From this point, I'm going to draw a short line coming down the middle. Let's go back to the top. I want to curve up, and then down on the left. Go back to the center, we'll curve up and then down on the right. And then we'll draw on the top edge of the brow. Starting here, we're going to curve up and then down. is add some short hairs going along the top of the head. Let's start on the left side. I'm going to draw a short line going out, step up. Now I'm just going to repeat this all the way around. It's going to increase the spacing. Add a few more. I'm just randomizing these lines across the head. Now we're going to move down and draw in the collar. Starting from the base of the ear, we're going to curve out and then down. And do the same thing on the right side. Now back on the left, we're going to curve down and in towards the middle to right about there. Now we're going to draw a fold. We're going to go up and over towards the right underneath the cheek. Now the right side of the collar is going to get tucked in underneath this point. So we're going to step up and curve out and up towards the right side. Now let's draw on the coat. From the left side of the collar, we're going to step in and down, curve out, and then down. Let's do the same thing on the right. Stepping in, step down, curve out, and down towards the same height. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with a curve. Coming down, and then back up. Now we're going to take this point in the collar and draw a straight line going down towards the bottom. Now let's draw on the arms. Starting from the corner of the collar, we're going to curve out and just pull that in. Do the same thing on the right side. Now we'll add a fold. We're going to step back out, curve out, and then down. And we're going to pull this in behind the body. Coming down and then in. Let's draw the top edge of the cuff. Step up, we're going to follow that same curve coming in. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's add in the hands. We're going to start with the thumb first. Starting from the inside of the cuff, we curve down and out, and then just hook that back up. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming down and out, and we'll hook that up. From the top of the thumb, we're going to curve out and then back in. We'll round up the finger, go out, and up to right about there. Let's do the same thing on the right. Curve down and in around the thumb, round up the finger. I'm just going to go back up. Now I'm going to draw on the second finger. From the outside of the cuff, curve out, and then tuck this in behind that first finger. Do the same thing on the right side. And then the last thing we're going to do is add the thumbnail. Starting on the outside of the thumb, we're going to curve up, and then down on the inside. Do the same thing on the right. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Baby Yoda from The Mandalorian. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.